our GDP per capita don't drop from $877 to $835. Waiting this change mean for you, waiting it mean for me. It may say things go day harder. It may say price of food could cost even more. It may say transportation, how much they pay for transport could even cost more. It may say even the small enjoyment where they try and manage, if it disappear. Because if the money where the country they make per person they reduce, it go affect how much government they spend. It go affect how much businesses they grow, and finally go affect how much money they in your pocket, because you don't get money like that again. So inflation actually go fee go up. Prices in general go fee go up. Even if they increase salary, the value of the money go day useless. It may say dollar go continue to go up. We got to ask our leaders question. Waiting them they do to make sure say our economy they grow. Waiting them they do to make sure say we know they always they collect loan. Everything where anybody will they spend loan. We don't join BRICS for loan. Paris Accord loan. IMF loan. World Bank loan. USAID loan. When we go start to produce our own things where we go sell to the world instead of make we just depend on oil. My people, make una no fold in hand, they look, make una speak up, make una use your voice. We guys demand better from our leaders, because if we no talk, things no go change.